My friends, previously we started exercise 8.3 and completed question number 1 in that part A, B and C. Okay, today we will continue exercise 8.3 with the question number D, that is rupees 8,000. Here we need to find the compound interest and amount. So rupees 8,000 for 1 year at 9% per annum compounded half yearly. We already learned the concept of compounded annually, compounded half yearly and compounded quarterly. Okay, so what is compounded annually? Again, let's revise that. Compounded annually means your principal value will be changed after 1 year and your rate of interest and number of years that will remain same. If it is compounded half yearly, then it means your principal value will be changed after half year. It means 6 months. So your N will be multiplied by 2 and rate of interest will be divided by 2. Okay. And if it is compounded quarterly, means your whole year is divided into 4 parts. It means it is a 3 months. Each part is of 3 months. So your principal value will be changed after 3 months. It means your rate of interest will be divided by 4 and N will be multiplied by 4. Okay. So this thing you need to remember. Whenever it is compounded half yearly, N will multiply by 2 and R will divide by 2. So here our principal value will be 8,000 and that is 1 year. It means 1 multiplied 2, that is 2 half year. 1 year is divided into 6 months. We have 2 half year. Now rate of interest 9% per annum. So it is 9 by 2% per half year. Okay. Now we can use the equation amount is equal to P inside the bracket 1 plus R divide 100 raised to N. Principal value is 8,000. 1. Rate of interest is 9 by 2 divide 100 raised to 2 because 2 half year is there. Now 8,000. So here we get 9 by 200. 2 is multiplied with 100. So it is 9 by 200. 8,000. 200 ones are 200 plus 9, 209. Divide 200. Raised to 2. So here we get 8,000. Multiply 209. Multiply 209. Divide 200. 200. Raised to 2 means multiply 200 to 9, 209 2 times and 200 divide 2 times. So here 3 0 will be cancelled out. 2 2s are 4. So here we get 2. Now multiply 209 with 2. 209. Multiply by 2 is there, 4, 3, 6, 8, 1. So it is 8, 7, 3, 6, 2. Divide 10, it means 8, 7, 3, 6 point. Divide by 10 is there, so 1 decimal point must be there. So it is 8,736.2. So this is the amount after 1 year. When it is compounded half yearly. So what will be compound interest? That is amount minus principal value. 8,736.2 minus 8,000. So that is 736.20. So this is our compound interest after 1 year when it is compounded half yearly. Now next example, rupees 10,000 for 1 year at 8% per annum compounded half yearly. Again it is compounded half yearly, so our rate of interest will be divided by 2 and N will be multiplied by 2. So principal value, that is our 10,000. Rate of interest is 10% per annum, so it is 10 by 2%, that is 5% per half year. And N, that is 1 year, is equal to 1 multiplied 2, that is 2 half years. Now we write the equation. A is equal to P inside the bracket 1 plus R divide 100 raised to N. So our principal value is 10,000. 1 rate of interest is 5%. Divide 100 raised to 2. So here we can cancel out 5 20 is 100. So we get 10,000. 1 plus 1 by 20. In a numerator now we have 1. So 20 ones are 20 plus 1, 21. 20 raised to 2 is 10. Now 10,000 raised to 2, it means multiplied with 2 times. 20. So here we can cancel out 2 0. 25 4s are 100. So multiply 21, 21 and 25 will get 10,860. So this is what our amount. If we want to find the compound interest, then subtract principal value from the amount. So it is 10,816 minus 10,000. So 816 rupees, that is our compound. Now next example, rupees 10,000 for 1 year at 8% per annum compounded half yearly. So equation it is written compounded half yearly, it means your rate of interest will divide by 2 and n will multiply. Okay, so P that is 10,000, the principal value is 10,000, rate of interest is 8% per annum. It means 8 by 2%, that is 4% per half year. 4% per half year. Now n, that is 1 year. It means 1 multiplied 2 half year. Why? Because it is compounded half year. Now we can write the equation. Amount is equal to P 1 plus R divide 100 raised to N. So principal value is about 10,000. 1 rate of interest is 4%. Divide 100 raised to 2. Now here 100 ones are 100 plus 4, that is 104. Divide 100 raised to. Here you can cancel out 25 4s and 25 ones are 25 plus 21, 26. Then it is also correct. So 10,000, 104 multiply 104 divide 100 multiply 100. Here we can cancel out 40. So multiply 104, 104. So it is 10,860. So that is amount after 1 year. So compound interest will be amount minus principal value, that is 10,816 minus 10,000. So 816 will be our compound interest after 1 year if it is compounded half year. Now question number 2. Kamla borrowed rupees 26,400 from a bank to buy a scooter at the rate of 15% per annum compounded yearly. What amount will she pay at the end of 2 years and 4 months to clear a loan? Now read the question properly. First, principal value is given 26,400. Okay. Rate of interest is given 15% per annum and it is written that compounded yearly means your principal value and rate of interest will remain same. Rate of interest and your time and will remain same. But here end of 2 years and 4 months is given. It means your end is 2 years and 4 months. But with exponent 4 months we cannot solve the example. So here if it is compounded yearly, then we will find compound interest for 2 years and simple interest for 4 months. How can we solve this example? If it is compounded yearly, 4 months means what? It is 4 by 12 years. As a fraction, it is 1 by 3 years. So here we will find compound interest for 2 years and simple interest for 4 months. Clear? So let's start with the first compound interest for 2 years. If we use amount of this 2 year in a next 4 months, then it is same as the compound interest. Why? Because we use the equation of simple interest to find the compound interest by taking the amount of previous year as a principal of next year. Okay, in the starting of this in this topic, we learned that compound interest is same as simple interest, but our principal value will be amount of the previous year. So here we will find the amount of 2 year and we use that amount as a principal for the next year. Clear? So now our principal value, that is 26,400. Rate of interest, that is 15% per annum, and n is 2 years. Here we will find compound interest for 2 years. So amount is equal to P 1 plus R divided 100 raised to n. Principal value is 26,400. 1 plus rate of interest is 15 divided 100 raised to 2. Now here 26400. 100 times 100 plus 15, that is 115. Divide 100 raised to 2. You can cancel out the common factor, then it is also correct, or you can directly write 100 times 100 plus 15, that is 150. Now 26400. 115 2 times. Divide by 2 times. If you solve this, you will get 34,940. If you multiply 115 and 264, then you get 3491,400. You can cancel out this 20 that is in a denominator. So answer is 34,940. Clear? Now this is the amount for a 2 year. So our simple interest for 4 months. So n will be 4 by 12, that is 1 by 3 years. So simple interest, that is PRN divide 100. Now our principal value is what? It is 34,940. Rate of interest is 15, that will remain same. 1 by 3, that is our n, divide by 100. So if we multiply 34,940 with 3, you will get 1745.7. So this is 5, and if we multiply 34,940 with 5, you will get 1,745.7. So that is simple interest for a 4 month. Now we can find the amount. So amount will be, for simple interest is principal value plus simple interest. Principal value is 34,940 plus 1,745.7. So amount after 2 year and 4 months, that will be 36,659.7. So this is amount after 2 year and 4 months. Now next example, question number 3. Fabina borrows rupees 12,500 at 12% per annum for 3 years at a simple interest. Now she borrows the money as a simple interest. What is the statement? Fabina borrows rupees 12,500 at 12% per annum for 3 years at a simple interest. So for Fabina, we need to find the simple interest. And Radha borrows the same amount for the same time period at 10% per annum compounded annually. Radha borrows the money that is same, but for at the rate of 9%. because she borrows the money for a simple interest. So here principal value, that is 12,500. Rate of interest is 12% per annum and N is 3 years. So simple interest is equal to PRN divided 100. Principal value is 12,500. Rate of interest is 12 and is 3 divided 100. So 125 multiplied 12 multiplied 3. So you will get 4,500. That is a simple interest paid by firm. Now compound interest. For Radha. So here principal value, that is same because she borrows the same amount, 12,500. Here rate of interest is 10% per annum because in a question it is written same time period, means N is 3 but rate of interest is 10% and N is 3 years. So amount is equal to P 1 plus R divided 100 raised to N. 12500. Rate of interest is 10 divided 100 raised to 3. We can cancel out the 0. 1 plus 1 by 10 raised to 3. So 10 ones are 10 plus 1, that is 11 raised to 3. So we will get 12500. 11 multiply 3 times and 10 divide 3 times. 2 0 will be cancelled. Multiply this 11 and 125, you will get 16637.5. So this is amount after 3 years. So what will be the compound interest? 16637.5 minus 12500. So amount compound interest paid by Radha, that is 4,137.5. Now Radha pays this much amount, this much as an interest, and Fabina pays 4,500. So who pays more? Fabina pays more. So we can write Fabina pays more interest by how much? That is, she paid 4,500 and Radha pays 4,137.5. So he is 362.50. So this much amount more paid by Fabina because she interest is 12% per annum.